Hello everyone, my name is Irina, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review and demonstration on my Mozart supplies. So I just want to quickly say a big thank you to the company Mozart Supplies for sending me these materials that I won in their giveaway. First of all, I'd like to start with the watercolor paper pad, which contains 30 sheets of paper. This paper is very textured, thick and cold pressed in an A4 format and has 300 grams. By the way, despite being thick, this paper is very flexible and has medium grain. And I couldn't but mention this beautiful illustration on a cover. Now let's move on to the mechanical pencil set. It has different sized tips. It has 30 HB lit refills for each tip size and 4 replacement erasers. The Mozart mechanical pencil set provides the essentials for your everyday writing, drawing and sketching needs, and with its stylish case you can easily take your pencils with you on the go. And now let's take a look on a Komorebi watercolor paint set. It has 6 classic metallics. These Japanese watercolors are highly pigmented and give a lustrous effect for that rich shimmery color, and is a perfect set to add to your watercolor supplies. Easy to blend and fun to use. Classic metallics include copper, rose gold, bronze, yellow gold, light gold, and silver. And finally, I'm gonna make a review on a single brush pen set which contains 20 bright colors. Each pen has a soft and flexible brush for flawless strokes. It's sleek and convenient and can help you achieve the effects of watercolors minus the mess. A set of 20 unique colors for fine art, coloring books, doodling, comic illustrations and calligraphy. Frankly speaking, I enjoyed using Mozart supplies greatly and I can't wait to create something new, so stay tuned. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day and see you next time.